Hi everyone, Kevin from My Philippine American Adventure. A lot to catch you guys up on, but for now just a short video on what I'm making for dinner. Take a look at this. Anybody know what this is? Beef liver. So tonight I am having beef liver and onions with potatoes and what other vegetable I can round up. I don't know what I got. But today I'm going to be making liver and onions. It's one of my favorite dishes. A lot of people don't like it, but when you can get fresh liver like this, it's fresh killed cow this morning. Look at that. So fresh. I just sliced it, so I know it's fresh because I just bought it this morning. A new addition here, we got a bamboo bed, and my computer table is now the cooking table, as you can see there. Haven't got the sink connected yet or the running water in the bathroom. We're working on it. I'm going to do a sit down video tomorrow and discuss my Starlink, the cost, the procedure, and something else I'm going to talk